morigereria hase rituko ria gatatu hase gikaro kio gusegeta na gokinia kobeka emebori gokinia sector yobochene okikegendereta hase nyomba yo kuomerana ya Kicc kegoritwa senchira ya bene rituko ria goro no morai bwense rituko ria rero nigo mosubate omotangani bwense Rachel Ruto nigatia baraibande bakoragwo no mugavana we county ya Nairobi Johnson SAKAJA baikirana na gukwandra emeroberio eserekari hegendete kobeka yo kubwaterana ni serekari chechi county gokinia sector yo erikonekia buna bananchi bonsi bachikonyora obubwenia aserigori resign.
I bring you warm greetings from our President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, who in officially opening this summit yesterday reaffirmed his commitment to strengthening healthcare and improving the well-being of every Kenyan. In healthcare, a promise is not measured by the words we speak. It is measured in lives. It is the mother who walks home with her newborn, the premature baby who defies the odds, the patient who finally gets care when they need it most, not when it's convenient for the system.
Financing has sorted out so much for us through SHA. Financing the frontline through facility improvement financing. Your Excellency, in 2022 in Nairobi, we were getting around 700 million for all my facilities, 125. This last financial year, I have closed at 2.6 billion shillings that is staying within those facilities to make sure we have 90% availability of medicines and laboratory services. Our facilities are now doing outreaches. We've conducted more than 120 outreaches and in-reaches every month, bringing preventative and curative services close.